ORESTAR is the elections reporting system developed by the Oregon Secretary of State for political committees to file statements of organization and campaign finance transactions electronically. Campaign finance transactions must be reported electronically through the ORESTAR system. ORESTAR is also used by independent expenditure filers, candidates filing for state office, and candidates filing statements in the state voters pamphlet. This video tutorial will guide you through the steps to create a new profile on ORESTAR. It will also guide you through the steps to get access to an existing committee. Each individual user must have their own ORESTAR profile and should not have more than one profile even if they serve on multiple committees. Do not share your username or password with others. To create a new profile on ORESTAR, navigate to the ORESTAR public search page at sos.oregon.gov/ORESTAR. Click on the Sign In link. To create a new profile, click on the Sign Up Now link. Fill out the fields. The information in bold is required. Click Submit. This page prompts you to select an application. Select ORESTAR Elections Reporting. Click Submit. The next page prompts you to select a committee. Simply click Submit without making a selection from the list. After completing these steps, you'll be taken to the Profile homepage, where you can manage your profile and password. To set up a new committee, click on the ORESTAR Elections Reporting link. To get access to a committee someone else started, continue watching the rest of this video. The next steps will guide you through the process of requesting access to an existing committee, whether it be a long-standing committee or a work in progress started by someone else. From the Applications homepage, click on the Application Management link. Select ORESTAR Elections Reporting from whichever box it appears in. Click Submit. The next page prompts you to select a committee. Scroll through to find the committee you'd like access to. Committees are listed in alphabetical order. Select the committee from the list. Click Submit. Once these steps are complete, you'll need to connect with the person who started the process so they can grant you access to the committee.